Thank you for calling Lowman Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. This is Cindy. Hello, is this Lowman's? My AC went out and I need air. I am sweating. I can't stand the heat. I pulled a wire and I connected this thingy to this thingy, and now I don't know what this thingy does, and I need help. My husband thinks he's a genius. He said he fixed it, and I don't think he fixed it because it's still warm in here. It's so hot, and I don't know how to tell him he's wrong.